Alright, so check it out. He told me to call you back when I was inside. So I'm inside, but you're not answering your phone. I called you. So the next best thing to do, video message. I'm inside right now. You want to check this out? It's freaking crazy, man. Look, there's your fucking windows, man. Here it comes. Back there. Here she comes down the side. Bye. And that's it. You can't see now. You like that show? So what's gonna happen now, man? Check it out. Here, you watch it. Oh, there's that fucking freaky deaky soap. Oh man, talk about a welfare soap. What do they do? They skimp on that, buddy. They didn't even get any on that side. That's a pretty cheesy fucking car wash, if you ask me. Look, soap over there. Soap there. No soap over here whatsoever. So here comes that. I don't know what you need to do that for. You never got no soap on it, you fucking dummy. Probably leave this soap on this side too, look. That's it. That's the car wash, baby. Gotta go. Love you. Bye.